Hey everyone, it's me, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of natural skincare, because we all deserve that healthy, radiant glow. We're talking about achieving that lit-from-within look, using simple, effective home remedies that are gentle on your skin and your wallet. Listen, I get it. We're bombarded with endless skincare products promising miraculous results. It's overwhelming, and honestly, it can be super expensive. But what if I told you that some of the most potent ingredients for glowing skin are probably already in your kitchen? We're going to unlock the secrets to healthy, radiant skin using ingredients that are easy to find and even easier to use. Get ready to ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace the power of nature for that natural glow-up. First up, we're talking about turmeric, the golden child of the spice rack, and for good reason. This vibrant spice isn't just for flavoring your food, it's packed with skin-loving benefits. Turmeric gets its superpowers from a compound called curcumin, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. What does that mean for your skin? Well, it means turmeric can help calm redness, reduce puffiness, and even fight those pesky acne-causing bacteria. But wait, there's more. Turmeric is also known to boost collagen production, which is like the fountain of youth for your skin. Collagen helps maintain your skin's elasticity, keeping it firm and youthful. Now let's talk about how to incorporate turmeric into your skincare routine. One of my favorite ways is to create a simple DIY face mask. You can mix turmeric with other natural ingredients like gram flour, which gently exfoliates, lemon juice for brightening, honey for its antibacterial properties, and yogurt for a dose of hydration. Just mix these ingredients into a paste, apply it to your face, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Remember to do a patch test first to make sure your skin doesn't react negatively to any of the ingredients. Trust me, your skin will thank you for this golden treatment. Next up, we're talking about another kitchen staple that deserves a spot in your skincare routine: coconut oil. This tropical treasure is a powerhouse of natural goodness, and your skin will soak it up. Coconut oil is naturally anti-inflammatory, which means it can help soothe irritated skin, calm redness, and even reduce the appearance of blemishes. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants that help protect your skin from environmental damage, like pollution and UV rays. But one of the things I love most about coconut oil is its incredible moisturizing properties. It's like a tall drink of water for your skin. Coconut oil is easily absorbed, leaving your skin feeling soft, supple, and hydrated without clogging your pores. Now here's how to use it. After cleansing your face, take a small amount of virgin coconut oil, a little goes a long way, and warm it up between your fingertips. Gently massage it onto your face and neck, allowing it to absorb fully. You can use coconut oil as a daily moisturizer, an overnight treatment for extra hydration, or even as a gentle makeup remover. It's incredibly versatile. Let's move on to another natural wonder: aloe vera. This plant is like a superhero for your skin, known for its incredible soothing and healing properties. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and enzymes that work wonders on your skin. It's incredibly hydrating, helping to plump up the skin and improve its elasticity. And if you're dealing with any redness, irritation, or sunburns, aloe vera is your new best friend. This incredible plant has been used for centuries to soothe and heal the skin, and for good reason. It's a natural anti-inflammatory, which means it can help calm irritation, reduce redness, and even speed up the healing process for minor cuts, burns, and acne scars. Now, the best way to experience the magic of aloe vera is to use it straight from the source, the plant itself. If you have an aloe vera plant at home, simply snip off a leaf, slice it open, and scoop out the gel inside. Apply the fresh aloe vera gel directly to your skin and let it work its magic. You can use it as a spot treatment for blemishes, a soothing face mask, or even a refreshing after-sun treatment. Now, let's talk about a skincare step that's absolutely essential for achieving that healthy glow moisturization. Keeping your skin hydrated is key for maintaining its plumpness, elasticity, and overall radiance. Think of it this way: when your skin is properly hydrated, it's like a well-watered plant, looking and feeling its best. But when your skin is dehydrated, it can look dull, flaky, and feel tight and uncomfortable. That's why it's crucial to moisturize your skin every single day, no matter your skin type. And the best time to moisturize is right after washing your face, when your skin is still slightly damp. This helps lock in the moisture and keeps your skin feeling soft and supple all day long. When choosing a moisturizer, look for one that's formulated for your specific skin type, whether it's dry, oily, sensitive, or combination. And don't be afraid to experiment until you find one that your skin absolutely loves. Let's talk about sunscreen, the one skincare step that's absolutely non-negotiable, no matter what. Did you know that about 90% of premature skin aging is caused by sun exposure? That's right, those harmful UV rays are sneaky little culprits that can lead to wrinkles, fine lines, hyperpigmentation, and even skin cancer. So, if you want to protect your skin and maintain that youthful glow, wearing sunscreen every single day is crucial. Think of it as a shield that protects your skin from the damaging effects of the sun. Now I know what you might be thinking, but I'm not even going outside today. Listen, even if you're spending most of your day indoors, those UV rays can still reach you through windows. So, make it a habit to apply sunscreen every morning as the last step in your skincare routine, even on cloudy days. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher, and make sure it's water-resistant if you're planning to be outdoors for extended periods. And don't forget to reapply every 2 hours. Let's dive into another important aspect of achieving healthy, glowing skin: your cleansing routine. Cleansing is like hitting the reset button for your skin, removing dirt, oil, makeup, and other impurities that accumulate throughout the day. But finding the right cleansing routine for your skin type is key. You want something that effectively cleanses without stripping your skin of its natural oils, which can lead to dryness, irritation, and even breakouts. If you have dry or sensitive skin, opt for a gentle hydrating cleanser that won't irritate your skin. Look for creamy or milky formulas that are free of sulfates, which can be drying. For those with oily or acne-prone skin, a cleanser that helps control oil production and unclog pores is a must. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid or tea tree oil, which have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. And if you're dealing with dullness or uneven texture, incorporating a gentle exfoliating cleanser into your routine a few times a week can work wonders. Look for physical exfoliants like jojoba beads or chemical exfoliants like glycolic acid, which gently slough away dead skin cells to reveal brighter, smoother skin. We've talked about the importance of moisturizing your skin externally, but what about internal hydration? Drinking enough water throughout the day is crucial for maintaining your skin's health and radiance. Think of it this way. Water is like a tall drink for your skin cells, keeping them plump and hydrated from the inside out. When you're dehydrated, your skin can look dull, dry, and even more prone to wrinkles. So, how much water should you be drinking? While the general recommendation is 8 glasses a day, it's important to listen to your body and adjust based on your individual needs and activity level. Here's a tip. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day and sip on it regularly. You can even add slices of fruits like lemon, cucumber, or berries for a refreshing flavor boost. Remember, hydrated skin is happy skin. Last but not least, let's talk about the importance of nourishing your skin from within through a balanced diet. Remember, your skin is the largest organ in your body, and it needs a variety of nutrients to function at its best. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, your skin needs a steady supply of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients to maintain its health, elasticity, and that radiant glow we all crave. So, what should you be loading up on? Fruits and vegetables are your best friends. They're packed with antioxidants that help protect your skin from environmental damage, as well as vitamins and minerals that support healthy skin cell function. Don't forget about healthy fats. Incorporate foods like avocados, nuts, and seeds into your diet. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help keep your skin moisturized and supple. And last but not least, make sure you're getting enough protein. Protein is essential for collagen production, which, as we learned earlier, is key for maintaining your skin's elasticity and youthful appearance. So there you have it, your guide to unlocking radiant skin with simple, natural remedies. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Make these practices a part of your daily routine and your skin will thank you for it. But remember, achieving healthy, glowing skin is not just about what you put on your skin, it's also about living a healthy lifestyle. Combine these practices with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques for optimal results. And as always, if you have any specific skin concerns or conditions, it's best to consult with a dermatologist or a qualified skincare professional for personalized advice. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more natural health and wellness tips. Also, feel free to share your own experiences or suggestions for toothache remedies in the comments section below. I would love to hear from you. Stay healthy and happy, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any specific questions or need further information, feel free to ask. Bye. Harness the power of nature. Take the reins of your well-being. Welcome to Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda, your trusted companion in your health journey. We simplify the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda, providing practical guidance to help you attain your health aspirations. Remember, good health is not a destination but a journey made less arduous by the potent remedies nature has to offer. Each herb, each root, each leaf holds the promise of wellness, and we're here to guide you in unlocking these natural secrets. So, whether you're a seasoned Ayurveda enthusiast or a curious novice, Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda is your reliable resource. Subscribe and join our community of wellness seekers. Until we meet again, stay well, stay healthy, and remember, nature is your greatest ally. Let Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda be your guide on this journey of health and wellness.